Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find sound recorder and click on it. After that, just allow in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can add a bookmark using the left one, and save and end your recording by clicking on the right one over here. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can rename it by clicking on this icon with a pen on it, typing wherever you wish to, and choosing OK. You can also delete your recording by tapping on the bin icon here and confirming your choice in the pop-up by selecting Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!